1972 Buick Skylark convertible here at Unique, especially in classics. Now as we go around this car, you are going to see some GS badging, not representing this as a GS, just done up, maybe a GS tribute if you will. Now a little more modern drivetrain in this one. Underneath the hood, LT1 built to LT4 specs. That's paired up with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. According to the previous owner, shifts nice and crisply. Does also have a new top with the rear glass window. It is a power top, by the way. Power steering, power brakes, power windows also on this vehicle. Nicely equipped car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, top up, top down, undersides of this car, trunk, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the front bumper, grille, hood of this car. As you can see, paint shows well on it. Red and black combination. Riding on the Buick Rally style wheels. And there's your LT1 badging along with that GS badging. Four-wheel disc, by the way. So power disc brakes all the way around. Black vinyl interior is in nice shape. Seat belts intact. Shifter on the floor. Aftermarket stereo system. Previous owner also said turn that off. Does not go off with the key. It is hooked up directly to the battery. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you take a look at the underside picture, you're going to see it has a newer 2.5-inch exhaust. You may also notice heavy-duty sway bars when you're snooping over the undersides. And take a look at the underside pics. Underside of this car as nice as the top. Once again, those underside pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the length of this one. Those long body panels appear nice and straight. Nice finish with that red paint, black highlighted stripe. As you can see, convertible top, boot, braid boot, fits nicely. Rear seats free of rips, tears, holes, as well as the fronts. Black vinyl bench. Tilt column. There's your power window switches, if you notice in the door panel. Take a look at the undersides of the doors too in the still pictures. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you listen to it. We'll get a little bit better look at the interior and the dash here a second. I'll get the key. Of course, fuel injected. Now LT1 underneath the hood. All right, here is your power top switch. It is a power top. At the end of this video, I'm going to put the top up. We'll take a look at the condition of that. It is in nice shape. FYI, previous owner said voltmeter down there is in op, but as you can see, oil pressure does work. I'm assuming the temp gauge is going to come up with the temperature of the engine. I have had the radio also working. It is a removable face plate also. Power button. So you can see that that is also working. Obviously CD player and FM. Turn that back off. Nice sounding car. You can hear that exhaust. Flip around to the back so you can hear this. Now we're going to take a look at the engine under the hood. Door shut nicely. Ooh, listen to that. This one will turn some heads. Looks and sound. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front of this car. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped and take a peek underneath it.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go with the hood up. So, new master cylinder, brake booster, see headers down there, little cold air intake, electric fans, of course that LT1, looking good and sounding good. According to previous owner, built LT4 specs, power steering, power brakes, boy, got a nice sound with those headers, 2.5-inch exhaust. Take a look at those underside picks, we'll see what I'm talking about. Wow, good looking engine bay. Nice clean and tidy underneath the hood. Alright, now I tell you what, I'm going to shut that hood, get the top up, and then we'll check out the condition of the top. So give me a second, when we get that done, we'll finish up this video. And here it is with the top up. Nice fit above the windshield. Again, black vinyl fabric. Free of rips, tears, holes. Rear window is glass, as you can also see, nice and clear. Around at the passenger side, also free of rips, tears, or holes. Need it to keep you dry, out of the sun. Gonna serve its purpose just fine. There you go, 1972 Buick Skylark convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.